everybody, it's Stephanie from the Fit RV, and James is still in France. So since I'm James free, I thought I would use this time to do a little project, a Stef only project that I've been meaning to do in Lance, and it has to do with creating a sticker wall. Because you know how in van life it's really common for van owners to collect stickers of their travels or just little mementos as they are on the road. I have a huge pile of those stickers, and I have even more that I've probably lost over the years. So I've always wanted to do this, but I haven't wanted to put them in our back window like most van owners like to do because I'm worried about resale and having to scrape all those off down the line. So anyway, if I put up some peel and stick wallpaper right here, then when we go to sell Lance, I can just pull off the whole sheet of peel and stick wallpaper with all my little stickers on it, and it's way easier than scraping off all the stickers. So that's my plan. I've already been to Target, picked up some peel and stick wallpaper. I've watched all the YouTube videos on how to do this online, so I feel like I'm a pro. I don't know, I've never done this before. And I've collected all the tools that the YouTubers say I need to do this. So with that, I'm gonna get to work and create my sticker wall. Ta-da! Yeah, that was hard. I can't believe all those YouTubers and articles said, oh, it's an easy project. It took me 2 hours to do my whole accent wall in my house. I've been out here at least 2 hours doing this tiny little board area. And it's not perfect. There's still some bubbles that are hard to get out, but I'm just gonna put stickers over those, so I didn't stress about it too much. And the seam was weird. I lined it up at the top where the seam is, and the lines worked out perfectly. Then when I got down to the third and the fourth line going down, they weren't matching up anymore. But I was too tired to deal with it, and I just figured I'll put a sticker there. So I guess from here I clean up and I put the stickers on that I can find, and yeah, be back. Okay, so that was easy because that's all I can find at the moment. I don't know where James has put my sticker collection. I used to have thousands, but hey, I'm off to a good start, right? So this will be a cool project. Now when I buy stickers on the road, I can instantly come here and just stick them up. So anyway, that's all I got. This was my project for the day. Hope you liked it. Thanks for watching. Bye.